Hello student, how are you? I hope all are well and safe, and I am also well. Again most welcome to our online class. So now I am going to teach English first paper for class 9 and 10. Today we will know about media and modes of e-communication from unit 13 lesson 1. So at first, after this passage, we will know able to from this unit learning outcome, surf the internet, read and write email, understand text, word, find out and memorize also, read intensively and extensively, question and answer. So all of you, let's start reading. All of you open your book and carefully listen to me. I am reading now. You must follow. Okay? Here, let's imagine a citizen's ordinary day at work. The morning probably starts with a cup of coffee or tea, followed by greeting the colleagues. Then comes the inevitable, which is logging in the computer. For many of us, the third step has become an automatic behavior, and it dominates the rest of our workday, receiving and sending dozens of emails. An email is an electronic mail. It is a computer-aided way of exchanging digital text. And message from the sent to one or multiple received. Emails operate through a network of computers linked by the internet. There are commercial search agencies such as Yahoo, Gmail, email, Hotmails, etc. that accept the text message from the sender, forward it and deliver instantly to the digital mailbox of the recipient. If the recipient is not online, the message is stored and delivered later when the recipient is online. It works instantly just with the click of your mouse. It has been a power communication tool in modern life. So all of you, from this process, we will know about internet. Here it has given on example also. One meaning, the meaning probably starts. Here has given one example. You can see here. Followed, the morning probably starts with a cup of tea, followed by the greeting the colleagues. Then comes of the inevitable, which is the logging in the computer. So all of you, day by day, we are familiar with the Facebook, Twitter, website, e-learning, iPad, tablet, information superhighway, etc. So we are related to the e-communication with this and media also. Okay. Okay, all of you again must read properly in this passage and must find out hard word also and read also properly at your home. Some hard word I find out also. I have given also here board. Look at the board. One number, inevitable adjective. This it is adjective. That means unavoidable. Bangla means অপরিহার্য. Next, multiple. It is adjective. That means manifold. Bangla means বহু সংখ্যক. Next, instantly. It is adverb. That means immediately. Bangla means তাৎক্ষণিকভাবে. So all of you, in this way, you must read another word at your home, and that's it. Today I will give some homework. You must notice and write down your copy and follow also. Here, see all of you. Here some question has given. Page number 166. Here has given some question. You must solve at your home. In this question, you must solve at your home. Then here has given number 1 email. Similarly, you must F number, you write down this question properly at your home. So today's homework I will give question answer must solve at your home, and similarly E, you must write down F email. You complete this work at your home. So okay, all of you, finally we can say you are well and safe today. Up to this, you are well and safe. Okay, Allah Hafiz.